Hi, this is Canon with WTI, and this is HTV Run printable vinyl for inkjet printer. I really enjoy to work with this vinyl. It's so versatile. I have print photos for my walls, decorating, and these coasters. Oh my goodness, they came out so beautiful. I'm doing a tea party very soon, so they're gonna look just perfect for that occasion. And I added some of the stickers to my coffee mugs, and they look really, really cute. They actually are waterproof, so I don't have to worry about that. I did also a notebook, and a big plus is that it doesn't get jammed on the printer. The quality of the vinyl is really amazing. I can print out the photo that I want to put on my journal, and I can even write over it. I can stick to the paper or I can even re-stick it. It's really that flexible. I'm really happy with this product. I can do so many things. And that's my point of view.